It was a mild mood this morning as Fred Nyanzi Ssentamu made his way to court to hear the ruling of the court in a case where he was challenging the victory of his rival and Kampala Central Member of Parliament, Muhammad Nsereko. Without wasting any time, the judiciary spokesperson James Karimani went on to read the ruling of Justice Margaret Apiny, where she dismissed the application filed by Fred Nyanzi on grounds that Nyanzi failed to serve Nsereko, who was the third respondent to the application. Nyanzi, through his lawyers, had sued the Electoral Commission, the Kampala returning officer and Nsereko in March 2021, citing electoral irregularities, including voter bribery. Although the applicant Nyanzi was able to serve the first two respondents, he failed to serve Nsereko, who he accused of dodging service. The Electoral Commission, through their lawyers, had also asked court to dismiss the petition on grounds that it would breach the principles of justice if the case continued trial when the third respondent is not served. Something Justice Margaret Apiny concurred with before dismissing the application, a decision that Nyanzi did not take well.
I have fought in this matter. I first applied for recount, which was denied to me, and to other people it was given, it was offered. I came to court and and petitioned. After 3 days, the respondent ran out of the country. We applied for substitutory service, which court denied to us. It so happens that they have strangled our case. They have strangled this petition at primary level. The grounds have not been heard by Ugandans. Everything is now kept under cover. But inwardly, I think I must appeal. You will hear later.
The time was still there. 6 months. He chose that he would fabricate matters before a court of law and win. In this case, it was impossible. Courts are evidence-based. So we welcome the ruling, and we have no problem with the ruling. In any case, it's not towards us, but for me, I know the status quo was maintained. The election was free and fair. There were very many competitors. I didn't only compete with Mr. Nyanzi.
This is the second election petition in Kampala resulting from the 2021 elections, which has been dismissed on grounds of lack of service. The first one was petition filed by Sulaiman Chidandala against Muhammad Nsereko, the incumbent Kawempe North Member of Parliament. This is also the second petition dismissed by court filed by Fred Nyanzi challenging Muhammad Nsereko's victory. Kalachi Brand, CTV, PM Edition.